Binary search works by eliminating half the candidates every step. To find the time complexity, we ask, starting from n elements, how many times can you cut the search space in half before only one element remains? These two lines set up left and right. They run exactly once before the loop starts. Two assignments, always two, regardless of whether n is 10 or 10 million. The count is fixed, so it's O of 1. Now the while loop. Each iteration cuts the remaining range in half. After k passes its n over 2 to the power k. The loop stops when that reaches 1. Solving gives k equals log base 2 of n. So the loop runs log n times. Inside the loop, compute mid, compare against target, then move a pointer, always 2 to 3 operations per pass. This is O of 1 word per iteration. Putting it together. O of 1 for setup, then O of log n iterations, each doing O of 1 work. Final time complexity O of log n.